I don't know if this thing moves or not. This top part and this whole thing is pressed together. I don't like that arrangement. It's not welded or pinned or anything. Now, if this thing is moving, turning while it's in operation, then there's a problem. And so I put the punch mark there, right here where this area is here, to try to see if it's going to move. Here's another area of concern, because when I turn this clutch, the fan and flywheel turns. So I can't see where that's not turning. Seems to be turning. I can even hear the ignition fire off. I'm gonna make a mark on here. Now we'll see if it moves. I suppose if I hit it really hard, maybe it would move. I'm not sure. Who knows? This second snap ring goes on the bottom. There it snapped into place. This snap ring keeps the second blade, the bottom blade, from going down too far. Okay, this back together. There's a bolt here. There's one over here. There's these two. Over here on this side, actually there's one under this section right here where these two are. There's a bolt under there, and there's a bolt over here on this side which you cannot see. Okay, now I'm going to grease this a little and put this back on. Make sure that you have the washer in there. And here's the washer. You can stick it on like that. That might be a good idea. And just put this back on. Okay. Now there's plenty of grease in it, but I think I'm going to put a little bit more on there. All right, I put a little bit of gear oil on there. Now we got to put this exhaust pipe on. It's got some insulating material on it. Go easy on these bolts. They're threading into aluminum. I wanted to see if this would turn here, and it did. So who knows what the problem is. I have an idea it might be the blades. They were bent, and that could be the problem.